Well, I can tell, but I'm not in a good mood right now because I've been recording this. I already recorded it once. Also, you guys hear any noise in the background. That's just my family. I'm trying not to have that happen, but sorry. I'm trying to do my best here, but I can't do too much. So I recorded it, but I didn't change the scene to actually this. You guys see this right now? I didn't change it to this. I had it originally just stuck at this. So yeah, I completely. You guys just see a single thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch now. You guys see what I'm actually doing this time. All right. Where's it at? So we're probably gonna go ahead and go change this one first, if anything. So welcome. I like welcome. You know what I'm saying? Just do a simple welcome. First one. Welcome. Why can't I scroll, dude? Users to why? Our friendly. I don't know why I use friendlies, but we are. I wouldn't usually have this on any server, to be honest with you. That's up to you though, but I wouldn't add that. And I'll usually have rules and info right here. Announcements. Side announcements. I can't spell. Don't worry about that. What was this called? Probably video announce. It's supposed to be videos on. Then we'll probably go and add. I think we're doing that for now. Change this one. To general. And we're gonna do here. We're going to delete this channel. We don't need this. We're gonna have a main. Like, why? What is wrong? Main chat. And main chat. So probably going to add. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and name this. So we're gonna have like I don't know, pictures. So go ahead and get pictures up in here and. Oops. Nope. I mean pictures. Yo, what is wrong with me? Go ahead and do the pictures, the channel topic later. But you're gonna want to have those probably. Suggestions for sure. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me, bro? I can't click this button. Probably like, I don't know, like some like real talk, because I'm probably gonna show here. So because I know exactly like what to do, kind of. Alright guys, so we're here, so you can see, guys, this is kind of what I'm thinking about, if we're doing a server. So look at this. This is kind of what you guys want. This is pretty much what you want to have. Basically. And you can just have this. So basically, what we have here is we have invite info. We have general, memes, pictures, videos, spam, welcome rules, announcements, self-roles.